Most people never even glance at their ceiling. But what if I told you that the largest blank canvas in your home, the one above your head, holds the power to completely transform every room you walk into? Ceilings are more than just a cover. They're your fifth wall. And when designed right, they don't just complete a room, they elevate it. Today, we're exploring 6 breathtaking false ceiling designs for 6 different rooms in your home. And wait till you see the last one. It's a futuristic design that blends art, mood, and smart technology like nothing else. Let's begin with the most social space of them all. 1. Living room, the tray ceiling with warm glow. In your living room, first impressions matter. A tray ceiling does something remarkable here. With a subtle upward step toward the center, this design creates visual depth, making your space feel taller and more open. But the magic begins when the lights come on. Warm LED cove lighting, hidden along the inner edges of the ceiling, casts a soft glow across the room. No harsh bulbs, no visible fixtures, just a golden warmth that invites people in. The result? A living space that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Perfect for conversations, movie nights, or lazy Sundays. 2. Bedroom, floating serenity ceiling. Step into the bedroom, your sanctuary. This is where comfort meets calm. And a floating false ceiling is the perfect way to set the tone. This design appears to hover just below the main ceiling slab, separated by soft-lit recesses along the edges. It gives the illusion of a ceiling that's gently suspended in midair. The lighting here doesn't shine down. It glows outward, like the last light of sunset wrapping around you. It makes your bedroom feel detached from the world. Quiet, private, and peacefully modern. You don't just sleep here. You breathe. You unwind. You heal. 3. Kitchen linear beams for space illusion. Kitchens are all about functionality. But that doesn't mean they should feel cold or cramped. In fact, the right ceiling can make even the smallest kitchen feel expansive. A ceiling design with parallel false beams, simple strips running across the room, can do just that. Inside each beam, a spotlight is discreetly placed to brighten prep areas, countertops, and islands. But here's the trick. The lines between the beams create a visual corridor. They subtly guide the eye forward, making the room feel longer and larger. It's a smart design that combines form, light, and utility in perfect balance. 4. Bathroom, spa-inspired simplicity. Often overlooked, the bathroom is a space where simplicity matters most. Here, a smooth false ceiling with vertical light panels can turn your daily routine into a spa-like experience. These sleek, integrated lights spread illumination evenly, removing harsh shadows and brightening every corner. The result? A cleaner, more open feel even in compact spaces. Choose warm lighting for a relaxing bath at night or cool daylight tones for that fresh, morning energy. It's minimalist, it's functional, and it makes your bathroom feel luxurious without needing marble or gold fixtures. 5. Dining area framed moment ceiling. Now picture your dining room, the clinking of cutlery, the laughter, the stories told over dinner. A central dome or arch-style ceiling above the table can turn these moments into framed memories. This type of design naturally centers attention, giving the dining table weight and importance. Add a hanging light through the center, a pendant or chandelier, and you've just created a glowing spotlight for life's most meaningful conversations. It's a graceful mix of modern and traditional, a ceiling that doesn't just decorate the room, but defines it. 6. Smart modular ceiling, the future of design. And now, the final idea, one that's changing how designers think about space. A smart modular ceiling isn't just about looks, it's about interaction. Made from clean grid panels with layered textures and invisible lighting zones, this ceiling can adapt to your needs. Reading in your study? Switch to cool daylight. Watching a film? Dim the lights to a warm amber hue. Hosting friends? Add a splash of colored accent light, yes, all from your phone. This isn't just a ceiling. It's an environment, an experience, one that adapts to your lifestyle, mood, and imagination. Bonus tip. No matter which design you choose, remember this golden rule. Great ceilings don't work alone. Layer your lighting, combine ambient ceiling lights, focus task lights, and a touch of accent lighting to create depth and dimension. It's not about spending more, it's about designing smarter. So which ceiling would you try first? Let us know in the comments. If this inspired you to rethink your own ceilings, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.